Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. World Red Cross Day observed today. Governor stresses need to imbibe spirit of service. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma convenes meeting to discuss a rejuvenation project for So'alang Umshing stream. Heavy rain lashes Meghalaya, causing multiple landslides. And EC announces Rajya Sabha election for 57 seats in 15 states to be held on 10th June. And now for the news in detail. The deferred observance of World Red Cross Day on the theme Be Humankind was held at Raj Bhavan, Shillong today. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik, who is also the president of the Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya, graced the occasion as the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Governor said that the Red Cross is one of the oldest humanitarian organizations in the world whose dedicated service has benefited millions. While appreciating the services rendered by the Red Cross Society, the Governor stressed the need to imbibe the spirit of serving fellow human beings and to assist the Red Cross in its services.
Thank you, GRC. Mrs. Lavina.
Without any form of discrimination. The state of Meghalaya still have a long way to go to reach everyone of the last mile beneficiaries, as we should utilize the existence of Indian Red Cross Society for the benefit of the public, mobilizing the power of humanity through volunteer services.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma convened a meeting to discuss the implementation of the rejuvenation project for the So'alang Umshing stream yesterday. The Chief Minister told reporters that the rejuvenation project came up after his visit to Molai Kinton Masar, where he had participated in the cleaning drive of the So'alang Umshing stream and announced they would soon initiate a mission mode project. He said the idea is to start with these streams and set a model for other streams in other localities and communities to follow. He has also asked the departments concerned to come up with a comprehensive plan for implementing the project.
The Umshing and the So'alang stream, I had announced that I'm going to take it up as a mission mode program. And the idea is that we will start with these streams, but we want to make this into an example and a model for other streams and other localities and communities to follow. So we are hopeful that this will come out, and we've asked the departments now to come up with a comprehensive plan so that then we can move into action mode. So by 31st of May, we expect the comprehensive plan to be put in.
Meghalaya has been at the receiving end of heavy rain since yesterday night. The Office of Meteorological Department has stated that the moisture incursion from the Bay of Bengal is responsible for the unseasonal downpour. The rain has caused multiple instances of landslide, waterlogging and flooding. In Shillong and Jowai, traffic came to a standstill for several hours in the morning owing to flooding on multiple roads. Reports have suggested damages to many household roads and buildings, though the extent of the same is yet to be ascertained. The weather forecast by the Meteorological Department suggests that rain is expected to continue for the next 4 to 5 days, though the spread and intensity may vary.
Especially when near the October, and everything is in here, and major landslide of the year. Then, everyone wants to be able to see, or start yet a new soul in the blue. And they will start to look at the young and he. I thought we were young, every Sarah, young personnel, the here to book in the green. The poor who make a young, he need it. And how every guru for the young, they down everything you're up to me, but then you decide what we have seen that with the old, they did it, Itu dah menolak kaya tu tak bojo.
Election Commission has announced the poll schedule for biennial elections for 57 Rajya Sabha seats in 15 states. Notification for the election will be issued on 24th of May and the last date of notification for these seats will be 31st of this month. Polling will be held on the 10th of June and counting of votes will be taken up on the same day. Some of the prominent members who are retiring from Rajya Sabha include Union Ministers Nirmala Sitharaman, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Piyush Goyal, Ramchandra Prasad Singh, senior Congress leaders P. Chidambaram, Jairam Ramesh, Kapil Sibla, Ambika Soni, NCP leader Praful Patel and Sanjay Rawat of Shiv Sena. The terms of these members is due to expire between June to August this year. The Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP has asked Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to keep in abeyance the implementation of Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 in the state. Attending the meeting, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Co-Coordination Committee, chaired by the Chief Minister, HSPDP Chief K.P. Pangyang, has aired the views of his party in this regard. Talking to reporters, Pangyang said the party feels the act should not be implemented until a clear picture emerges about its many causes and possible ramifications. The Meghalaya police, along with the Riphoi district magistrate, managed to prevent a clash between protesting labourers and members of Khasi Students' Union yesterday. In Riphoi, hundreds of labourers in MIDC Industrial Estate, Umyam, protested and demanded justice, alleging they were assaulted by the members of KSU. They said the KSU indulged in an inspection of labour licences and resorted to violence and threats. The KSU has owned up the inspection drive and stated they have received reports of illegal migration and intended to check the same. It may be mentioned that the village Dorbar of Umyam also supported KSU in its inspection. The co-founder and managing director of Blindly Trust Organization, Jitendra Dakar, observed that there are challenges galore for the visually impaired as well as for the other differently abled persons in Meghalaya. Jitendra Dakar identified a wide range of issues such as the insufficient funds through the Chief Minister's Social Assistance Scheme, inaccessible roads with open drains and uneven footpaths, and challenges in exercising their votes. He said that the amount should be enhanced to Rs 1,000 per month instead of Rs 500 per month. He informed that the organization aims to bring about a training center for the visually impaired, which is free of cost. He said that it wants to improve employment opportunities for persons with disabilities.
This scheme is 500 for each one. I think is very less. If we are looking, even though in Assam is 1,000. As of now, we the visually impaired people, we are afraid to go outside because the footpaths also is very rough. It's not, and the drain also there's a lot of drain which is not covered.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 18.8 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 16.9 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 75% and in the evening 88%, rainfall 111.5 millimeters, forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. World Red Cross Day observed today. Governor stresses needs to imbibe spirit of service. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma convenes meeting to discuss rejuvenation project for Umsolang Umshing stream. Heavy rain lashes Meghalaya, causing multiple landslides. And EC announces Rajya Sabha elections for 57 seats in 15 states to be held on 10th June. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.